Hi, I'm Kate Morneau. I'm a collaborative attorney in Nashua.
And I'm Meegan Reese. I'm a collaborative attorney in Portsmouth.
We're going to tell you about why we love to be collaborative attorneys. So, right off the top for me is that getting to work as a team is really, really important. Knowing that you have two neutral people that are there to help you, the coach and the financial neutral, as well as an attorney that you really trust on the other side. Each of us represents our own client, but we do it in a way that really puts the family at the forefront of everything. Our goals aren't trying to get our client as much as we can. It's really, how does this look for the family afterwards?
So true, Kate. And being an attorney in a collaborative case, because we're never going to see each other in court, because we're never going to be arguing these issues in front of a judge, really lets us brainstorm together, work together, be creative. And there's none of that hide the ball, right? Of like not sharing information because you want to keep that for later on. Having a brainstorming session, I know for me on a collaborative case, is really like just getting two lawyers for the parties because we bounce ideas off each other. We think outside the box. We're not confined to kind of what do we think we could get a judge to do. And just the fact that there is never the threat of litigation, right? It's not how we solve problems. Nobody's talking about ending up in court. If the ideas we have don't work, we keep going and we come up with different ideas and better ideas. But because we're working together, I just find there's so much more creativity and some of, I think, the best agreements that I've been able to reach are in collaborative cases.
Absolutely. And really the idea of what's specifically important to this family. So
Yeah.
it's, we've come up with ideas that the court would never address. The court would never get into details about some college issues. But if that's important to the couple and the family, then we're going to talk about it. I think that's really nice to have that option. Another piece is that the attorneys promise to be collaborative. They go through a collaborative training and they commit to do annual collaborative trainings moving forward. So they're people who really want to further the best interests of their clients as well as the family. And not every attorney is a collaborative attorney. There's very specific ones who are committed to this process, and they are listed on the collaborative law website.
And I think the reality, Kate, is that in a collaborative case, the role of the lawyer is really diminished because what we have realized is that there are other professionals out there who are better at these other pieces. So having a coach who is a mental health trained professional, having a financial neutral to be talking about dividing retirement accounts. So you and I as attorneys kind of have to wear all of those hats in a lot of our cases, but it is so nice to really kind of have our role just be that legal advice. And instead to leave the work to the professionals of those other pieces.
It's really a supportive environment for sure. It's giving our clients all of the tools they need to be successful moving forward. And we don't have that opportunity in court like we do in the collaborative process.
So true. And I will honestly say, Kate, that any friends and families who have asked me about divorce, my recommendation is always that they look to collaborative first.
Absolutely. There's a ton of resources about, again, who the collaborative attorneys are and more about the collaborative process on both my website and Meegan's website, our law firm websites, but also the New Hampshire Collaborative Law Alliance has a lot of blogs and different articles about what the collaborative process is and who a collaborative attorney is. So feel free to reach out, feel free to do some research, and we look forward to working with you.